turned back for my last little adventure in the ruins of Convento Santa Clara. Let's see. Pretty spectacular. So this is my last adventure in Guatemala, in Antigua. So let's take a walk around and have fun exploring. Last time. Go downstairs. Maybe. Hola.
¿Habla español?
Un poco.
Okay, this is the Santa Clara Church.
Sí.
Today is open the catacombs.
This is there?
No, it's a crypt. It's the crypt.
Catacombs?
Catacombs on the other side.
Other side.
On the other side.
Awesome.
This is the Santa Clara Church. It's only nuns.
Okay.
No monks.
Okay.
Only nuns. But today is open the catacombs. You want a tour?
I'm just gonna explore, just wander around and just see what I see. Thank you, though.
Okay, you don't have to pay.
That's okay. I'm just gonna wander. Locals in Guatemala get into these places for basically nothing, so it's a nice place to come in and hang out, escape the heat of the day. Nice gardens. The restored section to give you an idea what it would look like. T16 they got on there when they did some reconstruction last. Like a lot of rebuilt cloister. 2017 on those bricks, so pretty recent work. Yeah, they do have a lot of these old cathedrals and convents and things throughout the city that you can't go into because they're working on them. You know, here, it's extensive reconstruction 2020. You know, if the reconstruction's done properly, do it. Absolutely do it. Use as much original as you can, replace what needs to be replaced. 2018 on this wall. Very popular place, and you can see why. It is very beautiful. I've only been to a few of these, but I would have to say this one is by far the most reconstructed. Little hidden area. '09, 2015. Absolutely gorgeous. Hear voices. Catacombs, I just spotted them. First, we're gonna come over here. Looks like a prison. Or just a storeroom. You can probably make out the wall better than I can. Stairs. We're gonna look up. Wow. Again, very clearly reconstructed, but gorgeous. Reconstructed the way it was constructed for sure. The brick. You can see it was originally there, lying on the floor. Nothing. Probably not much down here, just like the last one. But you might as well go down. It's super dark. I do not know where the roof is, so I'm really hunched over. So he said catacombs. Really not. They are just crypts. Like in one of the earlier ones that I went to. This is Santa Clara. Oh, Santa Carolina maybe? I don't remember. But the first one that I went to here in Antigua on Monday morning, before I went to the lake. So, another crypt there. Go up. Oh, this is just where they would preach from. Oh, cool. And we have the upstairs. Why do people have to do that? Not here. Where are those stairs? Here they are. Definitely would be worth revisiting again early in the morning. Without all of the people around. Let's just walk through the sanctuary one more time. Little alcove. Nobody's in here right now. Come grab some pictures. that's going to do it for my videos of Guatemala. Trip's been amazing. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. See you next time.